Buhari will be remembered as father of democracy, Obaseki said. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki declared yesterday that President Muhammad Buhari will be remembered as father of democracy in Nigeria for ensuring last Saturday's governorship election in the state was free, fair and credible. Obaseki stated this while receiving his certificate of return at the head office of Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) in Benin City, the Edo State capital. The re-election governor, who hailed President Buhari's insistence on the need for credible election, noted that the president had the option to ensure the APC candidate won the governorship election in the state but decided to do the right thing by allowing the votes of the people to count. Obaseki, as candidate of the People Democratic Party (PDP), defeated his main challenger, Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu of the All Progressive Congress (APC) last Saturday to retain the governorship position of the state. Speaking after receiving his certificate of return, Obaseki said, "I thank President Muhammad Buhari for the part he played in ensuring a free, fair and credible election. He will be remembered for this." Obaseki, however, extended the olive branch by calling on former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Adams Oshiomhole, gubernatorial candidate of the APC, Osagie Ize-Iyamu, and other members of the APC to join hands with his administration to develop the state. He said, "I use this opportunity to reach out to our brothers on the other side of the divide as we are one family in the pursuit to provide public good for our citizens. The election shows that they trust us more now to provide leadership. It doesn't mean the opposition parties don't have a role to play. I use this opportunity to extend the hands of fellowship to my brother, Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu, and his other colleagues in the APC, as well as other parties, to join hands with us to move Edo forward. I call on Adams Oshiomhole that the fight is over and he should come and join in building the house, which he was part of in laying the foundation. We have no malice, but only disagree on the approach in moving Edo forward." The governor also commended the leadership of INEC for the unbiased role they played in the election. Hailing the INEC chairman, Professor Mohammed Yakubu, for not buckling under pressure as an umpire, the governor said advocated the deployment of more technology as a measure to ensure fair and credible polls. He stated, "I want to thank the INEC chairman, Professor Mohammed Yakubu, for his intellect on introducing technology to provide transparency in the process. He should be hailed by all as INEC was able to view results as the counting of votes was ongoing in units across the state. This has introduced another ornament of transparency in the way we do election in Nigeria. Technology is the way to go. If we must have free, fair and credible elections in the future." Edo people spoke and their voices were heard because INEC did it best, did its job and decided to remain impartial in the whole process of the election. The governor, who praised the leadership of the People Democratic Party (PDP) for its tenacity and doggedness in ensuring the party gets victory, also saluted the Oba of Benin, Omo Edo Ukwu Akpolokpolo Ewuare II, for the fatherly role he played in ensuring the election held peacefully. Thank you for listening to this news. You can see, this is what we are talking about. No grudge, no misunderstanding. In fact, just too simple. You see how simple Obaseki is. See how matured he is. He has just proved to Oshiomhole that he is more matured than him. that is more mature than him. At first, it is clear that Obaseki has no grudge with Oshomole. It is very, very clear. There is no single grudge at all. I bet you he wasn't having any grudge with Oshomole. It was Oshomole that was having a grudge with him, and that is it. You can see how he just buried the whole thing, making Oshomole to know that there is nothing in between them. He has explained everything. So it is not left for Oshomole to accept it or not. If he doesn't want to accept it, that is his own problem. That is his own problem. I salute his appraisal. I salute his gorgeousness. You see, there is nothing as someone being peaceful and having a transparency heart, so that the people will know that yes, that this is who this person is, and this is what this person is capable of doing. You get it? So Obaseki going good and carrying out a public appreciation, even appreciating those that frustrated his administration, that even plotted his downfall, is one thing that every Nigerian really need to see and know, that this guy is the real guy for Edo people. You understand? That is to tell you that all that they have been saying about this guy before the election are not true. They are not true. You can see things yourself. They are clear. Obaseki is not who they think he is. He is a very simple person and a straightforward person. You can see it. It's clear. You get it? It's very clear. So Oshomole should just hold his cool, accept the friendly hand of Obaseki, and respond positively with him, and carry on. A winner is not he that wins, but he that fails and refuses to quit. Therefore, the fact that he has failed this time doesn't mean that his political career has ended. No, it hasn't. He's still very much on. So he should just keep calm and carry on. Alright? So my viewers, I don't know what your comment concerning all that I just been said maybe, but please, you do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.